What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and it is Ian here, GK here. Today I'll be going over the Uscript documentation. I completely forgot to mention this in my first video and my second video, but I decided to make a third video on basically what Uscript is. Let's get started into it. So let's see what's in the get started.txt. I really haven't looked at the documentation. I kind of just learned myself. Okay. Let me bring over the file. So let's do this. Let me swap over the screen, guys. Just give me 1 second. And boom. There we go. And it is now swapped over to the screen where it shows us the thing. So basically, this right here shows you how to download Uscript into your server. So basically, you want to download the uscript.2.zip from their Discord server. I do believe I listed the link in my first video. I'll list it again. I'll list it throughout my series in every video. So all you gotta do is go down, check the description for a link to their Discord server. So basically, what you just do is you just download the zip from their channel, and basically what you want to do is you want to go into your server files, and basically when you hit files, you just want to be in that directory. You don't want to hit anything else. You don't want to hit servers. You don't want to hit mono bleed edging or whatever that is. You just want to paste that zip exactly into that location where your files open up and unzip it, and then restart your server. From there, you can go to your servers, your server name, and it will pop up in the Uscript will pop up in that directory. So basically, what you do is you can finagle with it. You can go in there. You'll see data, module, and scripts. Scripts is where you will place your scripts, and you will name those scripts basically like let's go back to the salary.uscript. You want to name it salary.uscript. Once you save that in that folder location, you don't need to restart your server. All you got to do is type in the command /script load and the script's name. So you can just do salary. You don't have to type the uscript after it. You just type in salary, and it will load it to your server. That's why I love uscript, is because you don't really have to restart it every single time. So yeah, so basically it gives you the commands right here. I do have a module out, guys. I'll be posting that very shortly. It adds a few more functionalities with Uscript. I'll teach you guys how to use it in another video. Let's see, what are we gonna do? So that's basically just how you install it. Now, we want to see how to. What are not how to? What are some of the other functions that we have? Let's see, is it this? Yes, it is. All right, here's some of the events that are added on here. So basically, this will tell you all the events that we have. Like I said, on interval is one of these events, and all other stuff. So basically, you guys can go look through that. I'm not really gonna go into it because it is just a lot to go over. Let's see, what else do we got in this documentation folder? Let's see. So we got with it. I actually don't know what that is. We're just gonna completely ignore this file. Let's see what we got else. How to? Nope. So we've already gone through the how-tos on my other examples. And this is just examples. Yeah. So basically, I just went over on how to install it, guys. I'm just gonna go over it again. Download the zip file. Put it in your root folder. Unzip it. Restart the server, and it will be in the servers/server name directory, and you will see it right where the rocket mod usually is, and the workshop config file. It'll be in that directory. Basically, just click that. You'll see data, modules, and scripts, and the uscript.config. You don't really need to edit that config file. You can place your scripts in the scripts folder. The modules go in the module folder, and yeah, the data is just if you want to create a .json file for those scripts. But in the future, I will show you my module where it automatically does that for you guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Comment down below if you need any help downloading it. You can just DM me. I'll run you through the steps on how to install it if this wasn't enough. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.